Buenos dias, innovation. I am Director Jeremy Roussel, or as you know me, Principal Roussel. Today is Wednesday, August 26th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Our quote of the day comes from Albert Einstein. He says, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or to things. Let's see what's cooking in the cafeteria. For breakfast today, we have a breakfast burrito. And for lunch, we have individual pizza with roasted cauliflower. That sounds delicious. Our core value of the week is still give 100% every day. How can you do that? Make sure you organize your notes by class and date so you can find them later. Also, don't forget to continue racking up those kickboard dollars by having those cameras on, responding often, and engaging in conversations, appropriate conversations, in the chat box. As well, in order to have a good day, make sure you're washing your hands consistently and keeping your hands away from your nose and face. Thanks, innovation. Have a good day.